Ang tagal naman ng Lasal to Ateneo na nakalasal, eh. Dito na guys, we're finally going to do it. It's finally time. From DLSU to Ateneo.
Dami-dami yung reklamo. Ito na nga, papunta na kami.
Dahil Christmas season ba, magka-Christmas hat pa kami. Let's go to Ateneo. Grabe guys, 3-hour walk.
15 kilometers yun.
Tara na, let's go. Oh, you know us. We're going to Ateneo right now. Dahil Christmas season, Christmas decor lang ulit.
Christmas decor 1.
Let's go!
Okay guys, since mag-Ateneo tayo today, we're gonna do dark blue counter. So, dark blue counter 1.
Light blue yun eh.
Dark blue counter 2. Christmas deco counter 3. Dark blue counter.
Maraming salamat.
Dark blue counter 5. Guys, explain lang namin ba't pinili namin Ateneo ngayon. Kasi tinignan namin yung comments. Tapos kasi yung pinakamadaming request. And dahil Christmas, ito na rin yung Christmas gift namin para sa inyo.
100,000 likes.
Inom namin yan. Uy, saan na tayo? Paano tayo tatawid? Paano na guys? Ito yung crosswalk pero... pero sila, nawala yung crosswalk. Mga Christmas hat siya nagtatanong. Sobrang delikado nun. Don't try that at home.
Pero yun nga, para sa mga taga-Ateneo, ikaw mo, butik na kami mamatay kanina. Uy, Philippines!
Philippines! Let's go guys, 2 hours na lang. Tapos time check, ito currently 10:17.
Guys, nagbabasa ka na ng comments sa'yo. Wala pa kayong klase, sincerely, I'm a tech student. Meron, bumaba pa ng grades ko dahil dito eh.
Actually meron nga, pero we do all of our assignments early kasi.
Early,
So,
ako after eh, pre.
content, magpapagupit na si Jet. Guys, 100k likes muna bago magpapagupit ako. Kasi I'm in my long hair era pa eh. Comment down kung kamukha ko si Kesh. Why do I feel na kahit sobrang layo lang nilalakad ko? At sobrang pawis, ang bango niya pa din. Papakita na nga namin secret namin. To use Gatsby facial wipes.
That's blue body water.
Guys, to use this, very simple lang. Get one sheet, wipe your face and your neck. Yan lang, very simple. Makes you feel fresh, makes you feel beautiful.
So ito naman guys, ginagamit para like malamig, para fresh yung feeling. Tapos kung gagamitin nyo, huwag masyadong malapit kasi like, malamig talaga to.
2, 3. Boom! Very simple lang guys.
Tapos yung wipes para full package tayo guys.
Just refresh na lang.
Parang fresh na ulit ako guys. Let's go back.
Okay?
Christmas Deco counter 5.
University counter. University ba siya?
Oo. Animal in dark blue counter. Guys, gusto niyo mag-swimming? Parang pagod na ako maglakad eh. Tara, 1 million likes. Dark blue counter guys. Ah wait, parang uncle ko yun ah. Uncle. Guys, your gold. Wala bang pure iron? Pwede ba kita isama hanggang sa patanda? Aking sinta nabigyan. University counter. Christmas decor.
Let's go!
Guys, so nasa Mandaluyong na tayo right now. Dark blue counter also. For the people who live in San Juan, we're here.
Yes sir!
Grabe ang init, buti may Christmas at ako. Wait, gano'n pa katagal? Guys, so 2 hours 6 minutes pa. Tagal. Gusto nyo mag-break muna?
Parang break na lang muna. Hanggang dito muna yung daily dito natin yung part 1.
Stay tuned sa part. Yo guys, pagod na kami tapos halfway pa lang kami. Kaya nga guys, magla-lunch muna kami kasi di na namin kaya. Naka like 6 to 7 kilometers pa kami. Bye guys!